Replacing or blurring a license plate can all be done in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. To do this, we need to use the Fusion page where we have a Media In and a Media Out node. Use Shift Spacebar to open Select Tool. Use the Select Tool menu to find and add a planar tracker node. Now click around the object to be tracked. This does not have to be very accurate. In the inspector, I will use Hybrid Point Area for the tracker. If you don't start tracking at frame 1, click the Set for Reference Time. Now track forward. Looks like a good track. Go to the operation mode and change from track to corner pin. Adjust the selection to fit the license plate. From the media pool, bring in the replacement image. Connect the new image node to the tracker node. It tracks well, but doesn't look realistic, so I will mask it to fit the license plate frame. In the Edit page, use the Option or Alt key to drag up the clip to duplicate it. Now back in the Fusion page. Disconnect the license plate node from the planar tracker. With the tracker node active, go to the inspector and change from corner pin back to track. Then create a planar transform node.
Hold the Shift key down and drag the planar tracker node out.
Now insert a matte control node to provide the transparency. Connect the planar transform to the blue input of the matte control. The next node is a polygon mask to control the transparency. Connect the polygon node to the yellow input of the planar transform node. Make a detailed selection for the transparency. To make this work, go back to the matte control node and in the inspector go to Settings and check the Apply Mask Inverted and Multiply by Mask boxes. Make any final adjustments to the selection. Now back in the Edit page, the transparent area overlays the lower clip. Now this looks more realistic. For a quick and easy blur of a license plate, I use the Color page, which automatically puts a node in the node graph from the Edit page. Select a power window and then the pen tool to make a selection. Feather the selection by using the outside softness. Next we need to track the power window. Usually the default settings work the best, but sometime unchecking some options may help a difficult track. Click the double arrows to start the tracking. Now we go to the blur tool and increase the radius and the job is done.